Yo, and welcome to a new video. Today, why do I always fuck shit up, man? I always fuck it up. Oh god. Sorry guys, not been uploading for quite some time. Just stuff in life getting in the way. Hey, I've got a new job though. Second line IT engineer. So I'm back on the bandwagon. So that's something forward to look, you know. The K24 build is going to be quite expensive. I promise I will give a video out of how much a K24 swap will cost when I finally work out the final cost of a K24 swap. Which might take some time because every 2 days I'm finding a new part that I need to buy or add to the shopping list. So it's somewhat difficult. Finally got a haircut, so I'm not looking like a homeless person through COVID now. So that's something. So today's video we're going to be going through just random bits really. It wasn't really planned. I had a colour that I was testing, which we'll go through on the video, and hopefully you guys will like it. It's one of them controversial colours. Some people like it, some people despise of it. It's a bit like Marmite, but hopefully it's one of them colours where it will probably look better on the vehicle once it's fully done, as opposed to, you know, looking at it in the tin. But yeah, we just did a little test on the bumper. Then we took the dash out because eventually I want to get that flocked. The Mitsubishi that you see in the start of the video, we can wait a bit for that. That's just a little bit of a teaser. But yeah, I hope you enjoy the video, and if you're new here, my name's Ant. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy the video and the content. There'll be plenty more to come, especially with me getting a job now, finally. So this Fiesta's surviving. I've not really done anything to it, not really touched it, so. So yeah, sorry about the videos being up and down and no real structure to them. Until I start getting parts, I can't really get everything sorted. I've been doing a lot of research on the fuel system for the K24 swap. So hopefully next month I might be in a position to get the lines in and all sorted. But I do need to get the engine bay sprayed first. But each time I think I need to spray it, I need to think out, do I need extra mounting for the fuel pressure regulator? Do I need different mounting brackets for the radiator? So all I have to take into consideration before I respray the engine bay, because I'll end up in a situation where I'll have to re-drill, and hopefully, well not hopefully, I might have to respray where I've drilled, especially for rust prevention. But if any of you guys know how to, you know, drill without having to respray and do minimal damage, just hit me up in the comments and let me know. So another day in the garage, a random job of an ABS sensor, a BMW 1 Series. Japanese one thing. see what it looks like. See, look at this, look in the camera.
Yeah.
Alright, that glistens that. That's fucking beautiful. And apart from the dust on it. That's beautiful, that, man. Yo guys, so my engine crane stopped working 2ZZ, which was ruined in my last Corolla. Cannot move right now, so I'm not strong enough, guys, sorry.
I'm sorry, but I don't want to be in. That's not my business. I don't want to rule or conquer anyone. I should like to help everyone if possible. Jew, Gentile, black man, white. We don't want to hate and despise one another. In this world there's room for everyone. Good earth is rich and can provide for everyone. The way of life can be free and beautiful.
True hippie, true hippie.
Oh, fucking hell, that video was fucking skits, cunt. Fucking, you better fucking like and subscribe.